Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens, bringing you another unboxing and first impressions video. Tonight we're going to be talking about the Sofirn SP31 version 2.0. Alright, as you can see, this is the flashlight here. Let's take a look at it just really quick and then we'll go over the accessories. As you can see, the machining is really nice. Anodizing is really good. Sofirn always, they're always consistent with their quality control. So I've never seen a Sofirn flashlight with any kind of, markings on it or bad anodizing or gritty threads or anything like that. So they take really good care of their products and they ship them out good. They want, they don't want it coming back to the factory. They want to make sure that the customer gets their light and that they're happy with it. That's why, they put these cards in there. If it's happy or not happy, and it tells you what to do. If you're happy, give them a review, tell your friends and family. And if you're not happy, it has all of their contact information on there. So you can contact them and hopefully get your problems resolved. But I know you will because they have excellent customer service. I've dealt with them before. So this is what you get in the box. You get 2 O-rings, really thick as you can see. You get a basic lanyard and a really good manual. This one's in English, German, and Russian. And let me bring it up here so you can see the stats of the light. Okay, pay close attention. The max throw is 225 meters on turbo, while 150 meters on high, which is 500 lumens. And also it shows that, the battery indicator, that green is enough power, while steady red is shorter power, and flashing red, you need to change the battery. So let's look back at the light here. As you can see, it does light up every time you turn it on. It'll stay on for 5 seconds after the light is turned on for the first time. Now, it does have a rear tail click, as you can see, and that's how you will turn the flashlight on and off. It does support momentary on, as you can see, which is excellent for a tactical light. That's one of the things you're looking for. And the side switch here is the mode select. So to activate your strobe, you're just going to hold down the what am I talking about? Turn it on here, and now you hold it down for a couple seconds and it goes to strobe, and you push the button once, you're in SOS mode. You push it one more time, you're back in strobe. To get back to the last mode you were at, you just hold down the button and it goes right back to last mode before you hit strobe. And so this flashlight here is rated at 1200 lumens, and it has a Cree XPL high V3 LED, and it's rated at 1200 lumens, like I said, and that's at 12,700 candela. As you can see, the reflector is smooth, so it's more, it does have a high intensity emitter in it, so it's built, to get a little bit more throw out there. And, for a tactical light, you want a little bit more throw and a tight beam. At least that's what I prefer. I don't know about other guys, but that's what I prefer on my light. Now, this flashlight runs on one 18650 battery or 2 CR123As. This flashlight does have a very nice moonlight, or as Sofirn likes to call it, their eco, and that's at 5 lumens. Then it goes up to 50 lumens, 160 lumens, 500 lumens is high, and 1200 is turbo. This flashlight does have a 1 meter impact resistance, and it is IPX8 certified, which means it can go underwater up to 6 feet for up to an hour. Now, as you can see, the knurling is really good. It's really nice grip on the tail cap, really firm pocket clip on the Sofirn lights. And as you can see, it has the big lanyard holes here. So I know some guys like to run really big lanyards, and this is the light to have for that. It can't really tail stand though, because it's a little wobbly, because the button, as you can see, kind of sticks past the tail just a little bit. But I don't really tail stand anyway. I mostly do that, or 99% of the time I'll just lay the light down. Now let's open this light up. Let's see what we got inside. As you can see, the threads are really nice. Very smooth, not gritty. Really nice spring. All right, you know what I'm running, 30Q, Samsung battery. You can see the threads. O-ring is nice. Everything's lubricated. See the head here. Ooh, my goodness. Okay, you can see down the body. And here's the head. Also a nice spring here. So on these kind of flashlights with the double springs, I like to use flat top batteries. That's what I like to do. Some guys are different, but that's what I like to do. Now this flashlight here, this is kind of a special piece for me because this is my first rear tail click Sofirn light. Well, actually, you know, that's not true. I have the SF36 that I got for Father's Day when they had a special for that. But this is my first rear tail click, like the body style, like the SP31. And I really like this tube style. I like this design. I do, because it's slim and I can always stick it in a pocket or in a bag, and I know it's not gonna hang up on anything or be shaped weird because, you know, it has a gigantic head on it. So this is just, you know, one narrow shape like a cigar, and you just, you know, stick it someplace and it's there. So I like this light. But they have another light that's a rear tail click, and I believe it's called the SP14, and that's a keychain light if I recall. And I want to get that one, so you'll probably be seeing that on the channel pretty soon, because I like Sofirn lights, so I usually buy a lot of Sofirn. So you're going to be seeing a couple more Sofirn lights, especially this guy right here. Just a little sneak peek of the gold SP32A version 2. Beautiful flashlight. That video is going to be coming up pretty soon. But back to the SP31 here. Now this is a fantastic flashlight. Like I said, it's a great tactical flashlight. This is a great flashlight for duty. If you're a paramedic, if you're a cop, this is a good flashlight if you're, you know, a security guard, or just an average day Joe defending his family, defending the homestead. This is a really good bedside lamp, bedside table flashlight, excuse me. I am just tongue twisted tonight. It's been such a long day. It's been one of those days. I know we've all had one of those days, and today's that day for me, I guess. Today's been a long day. So I'm sorry I'm making some, you know, some flubs here when I'm talking, but you guys know how it is. So I appreciate you guys watching my videos. And Sofirn SP31 version 2, this is a great flashlight. There's not too many cons about this flashlight, because for the role that it plays, for me at least, it fits the role perfect. Other guys may have cons, but for me, this flashlight is nice. I like it. You know, I'm just a normal everyday guy. I'm just a dad of 4. You know, I have 4 sons, and I protect my family. I collect lights, and this is a good light for that, for me. I appreciate you guys watching. This has been Desert Lumens, and I know if you're deciding on this light, I hope you get off the fence and pick it up because it's a really good one. You guys have a nice weekend. Be blessed. Thank you.